DRSM DC, the first comprehensive software for leaders and managers. When we manage, we work to shape and operate our area of responsibility. The art of keeping this process structured and organized is what we call management intelligence. DRSM DC displays exactly those key figures for which the user is responsible. The status of the management topics is transparent and prompts decisions. Currently, the DRSM DC suite for management intelligence includes the management topics: measures, improvements, and suggestions, meetings, projects, strategies and key figures, risks, audits, and competencies. Whether at your workplace, in the team on-site, or spread out over the whole world, with DRSM DC, every user is informed online. DRSM DC is the digital leadership medium for efficient management. On the left side, DRSM DC Improvement shows an overview of all company processes. The colours in the pie chart are determined by the status of the agreed improvement measures. Improvements are being implemented for the processes in the colour group. For the grey ones, there are no improvements yet. On the right side, there is an evaluation of the status of the individual measures. Green measures are on schedule, yellow are close to reaching the planned end date, and red are behind schedule. To create an improvement, a measure is started. Name, start, and end times are entered. If desired, the measure is repeatedly carried out at time intervals. The goals to be achieved and helpful tips should be included in the description of the measure. Now the necessary roles must be assigned. The implementation is delegated to the person responsible for realization. The improvement is allocated to those company processes for which it is effective. As needed, assessors or sub-measures can be added in order to include more people. The measures can be called up and edited in the cockpit. For this purpose, the current progress status is set and commented. If the improvement is 95% completed, the authorized decision maker determines whether the improvement achieved its goal. If yes, it is completed. If no, it goes back to the person responsible for realization, or it will be cancelled without result in special cases. In DRSM DC, no knowledge is lost. Finished improvements go to lessons learned. They can be used as needed at any time to derive follow-up measures. Particularly successful measures are designated as best practices for recommended ways of proceeding. DRSM DC Improvement includes an integrated suggestion system. The improvements coordinator decides with the management if the suggestion will become an improvement. Improvement suggestions can even be made just via the login screen for DRSM DC at any time and by anyone, e.g. via public terminals in the canteen. DRSM DC Improvement ensures that continual improvement and an ordered system for making suggestions happen in a structured and simple manner. The management knows at all times about the status of the improvement measures and also where there is still need for action. DRSM DC, the software suite for management intelligence and for your continual improvements and your system for suggestions.